Well, look what we got today. Not too far from the Pittman Ranch up the Klickitat River. It was a 1954 Willys Jeep truck with a winch. Been sitting here for 30 years. And it's the next restoration project. How about that? A little bit of lichen, if you liken the lichen. Well, there it goes. Comes with a gas tank. Seats are in pretty good shape. Look at this. Isn't that interesting? 1954. And this is what I start with. So, door closes. Not much for a truck bed in the day, huh? Got the lights, even. It's in pretty fair shape. I don't have a lot of metal work. Here we go. 1991. Last time it was on the road. And it's got a flathead engine in it, which turns over by hand, and that's all I know. That's all I know. I won't know until I get it back, haul it back on the trailer to the shop, start working on it. A little cracked glass. Place to hang your rifles. Typical wasp nest up here. All the four-wheel drive configurations down there. Here's the old-fashioned turn signal. Look at that. Anyway, I'll give you an update later.